Portugal never ceases to surprise the world. The Portuguese textile and clothing industry is an extraordinary, living, breathing metaphor of what we say is of Portugal and of the Portuguese. There is no other industry that is so national, so ours, as this one is. Although this sector is many years old, it is the last 20 years that have told the epic story of an entire sector that rose and fell, declining almost to nothing, only to be reborn like a phoenix from the ashes. Stronger, more modern, more innovative, more creative, and, therefore, more competitive. A virtuous cycle of 10 years of constant expansion. From a wretched sector, it became a model sector. A case study cited in business schools all over the world and in political speeches, and seen in the desire to imitate it in similar industries in many other countries, but also in very different industries here at home. Nowadays, the Portuguese textile and clothing sector is concentrated mainly on the north coast of the country, in the biggest textile region in Europe. It is an industrial cluster, taking advantage of the completeness of its value chain, the complementary synergies, and the dynamic nature of its companies, offering this rich and complex reality to the world as a competitive advantage. An industry geared towards the world, born for exporting, proof of which can be seen in its 189 destination markets. An industry that does not allow itself to become complacent, that never settles for less, one that is always restless and constantly on the lookout for what is to come in order to make that its natural habitat. The digital economy and Industry 4.0 are its challenges for the future, as are sustainability and the circular economy. We are proud of what we have done so far, and this has laid the foundations we need to reach other levels. Always more ambitious, but nothing will compare to what is yet to come and what the textile and clothing industry is yet to achieve. ATP, Portuguese Textile and Clothing Association.